1. Algae are in the same major group of plants as are the A. Mosses, B. liverworts, C. fungi, D. ferns. C is the correct answer. 2. Assertion. Members of Qwhizzy vary in color from olive green to various shades of brown. Reason. Qwhizzy possesses chlorophyll A, C, carotenoids and xanthophylls. A. If both assertion and reason are correct and the reason is correct explanation of the assertion. B. If both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not a correct explanation of the assertion. C. If the assertion is correct but reason is incorrect. D. If both assertion and reason are incorrect. A is the correct answer. 3. Protonema is A. Fossil pteridophyte, B. A part of the sporophyte of Funaria, C. The juvenile phase of the moss gametophyte, D. None of the above. C is the correct answer. 4. Pinus seed cannot germinate and establish without fungal association. This is because A. Its embryo is immature, B. It has obligate association with mycorrhizae, C. It has very hard seed coat, D. Its seeds contain inhibitors that prevent germination. B is the correct answer. 5. Which of the following statements is incorrect about gymnosperms? A. Their seeds are not covered. B. They are heterosporous. C. Male and female gametophytes are free-living. D. Most of them have narrow leaves with thick cuticle. C is the correct answer. 6. Floridian starch has structure similar to A. Laminarine and cellulose, B. Starch and cellulose, C. Amylopectin and glycogen, D. Mannitol and algine. C is the correct answer. 7. Selaginella and Salvinia are considered to represent a significant step toward evolution of seed habit because A. Female gametophyte is free and gets dispersed like seeds. B. Female gametophyte lack archegonia. C. Megaspores possess endosperm and embryo surrounded by seed coat. D. Embryo develops in female gametophyte which is retained on parent sporophyte. D is the correct answer. 8. Where are the Anthridia and Archegonia situated in moss? A. On the apex of leaves, B. In the axil of leaves, C. On the apex of stem, D. On the base of stem. C is the correct answer. 9. Which is not a part of moss capsule? A. Peristome, B. Protonema, C. Theca from operculum, D. Annulus. B is the correct answer. 10. Bryophytes comprise A. Sporophyte is of longer duration, D. Dominant phase of sporophyte which is parasitic, C. Dominant phase of gametophyte which produces spores. D. Small sporophyte phase and generally parasitic on gametophyte. D is the correct answer.